वो भारतीय अंकों के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय रूप में यानी 1, 2, 3 कर सकते हैं, रोमन रूप में कर सकते हैं, और किसी भी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इंडियन लैंग्वेज की जो रोमन जो 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 उसके शब्द हैं उनमें अंक हैं उनमें कर सकते हैं, और ये शब्दों में अंकित नहीं किया जा सकता है. Preference has to be marked in figures only and shall not be indicated in words. The elector also has to mark many preferences against the number of candidates. While marking of the first preference is compulsory for the ballot paper to be valid, और अगर किसी वोटर ने प्रथम चॉइस नहीं दी और बाकी चॉइस दी तो उसका वोट कैंसिल हो जाएगा. एक दूसरी विशेष बात है कि वोट देने के लिए आयोग अपनी तरफ से पेन प्रोवाइड करेगा. यह पेन पहले से ही एआरओस के पास रहेंगे और डेजिग्नेटेड ऑफिसर द्वारा मतदान केंद्र में वोटर्स को मत पत्र सौंपते समय दिए जाएंगे. सो दे हैव टू वोट ओनली बाय दैट पर्टिकुलर पेन. इफ किसी अन्य पेन का उन्होंने उपयोग किया तो मतगणना के समय उनका वोट इनवैलिड करार दे दिया जाएगा. The Election Commission, in consultation with the central government, appoints the ROs once from the Lok Sabha and second time from the Rajya Sabha. So this time, Secretary General Rajya Sabha will be appointed as the returning officer for the present election. The Commission has also decided to appoint assistant returning officers in all the state capitals, including NCT of Delhi and Union Territory of Puducherry, and this is for making all the arrangements for conducting the poll and for transporting ballot boxes from Delhi to the state capitals where the voting will take place at the designated places, and also to bring back those ballot boxes. If in case the AROs are not, for some reason, fall ill or something, the Commission has also appointed the second assistant returning officers and will be distributing you a book in the form of a press note. What I am reading is available. This will be also uploaded. Appendix to this book gives you all the details of the ROs, AROs, their names, their phone numbers, everything. Now, coming to the place of voting, as per Rule 7 of the Presidential and Vice Presidential Election Rule 74, poll for the election will be taken in Parliament House and in the premises of the state legislative assemblies, including the legislative assemblies of NCT of Delhi and Puducherry. And the rule provides where legislative assembly meets for transaction of business. So this is what is provided in the rule itself. And the polling is required, if required, shall take place in these places. And the list of these polling stations is also given in the appendix 2 of the book I just showed you. Now I come to the value of the votes. Value of the votes of the elected members of the state legislative assemblies combined is 5,43,231. And similarly of all the MPs combined, it is all these slides would also be given to you. I suppose they must be already tweeted and must be with you on your system. So the states is 5,43,231. MPs is 5,43,200. So almost equal. And total is 10,86,431. While the electoral college consists of MPs,